Before you can deposit or cash a check in your name, you'll need to endorse it or add your signature. This will give the bank the legal right to process the check. First, take a look at the payee line on the front of the check, which will specify who needs to endorse the check. The payee line is located near the top of the check, next to the words "Pay to the order of." If your name is the only one on the payee line, you're the only person who needs to endorse it. However, if there is more than one name listed with the word "and" or an ampersand between the names, everyone listed will need to endorse the check. On the other hand, if your name is followed by "or," a slash, or if there is a CO before any other names listed on the payee line, then only your signature is needed. To endorse the check, turn it over and look for 3 to 5 gray lines printed on the back. You may see the words "Endorse here" printed above these lines. Write your signature in blue or black ink on one of the lines. Be careful not to extend your writing into the space below the lines, or the bank may not accept the check. If you're endorsing the check on behalf of a business or other institution, print the institution's name on the line above your signature. Once you've endorsed the check, cash or deposit it right away for your own security. After the check is endorsed, anyone can cash it. In some situations, you might want to add special restrictions to your endorsement. For instance, say you're mailing the check to the bank or want to give it to someone else to deposit on your behalf. To prevent someone from cashing the check against your wishes, write "for deposit only" on the top of the endorsement section above your signature. Or, if you have multiple accounts at the same bank, you can use the top line to indicate which account you'd like to use when you deposit the check. Write the bank account number in the top line, then sign your name on the line below. You can also use the endorsement section of the check to sign the check over to somebody else. But keep in mind that not every bank will accept these third-party checks. To do it, write "Pay to the order of" in the top line of the endorsement section. Then print the name of the person you're signing the check over to on the next line. Finally, sign your name on the third line. Then give the other person the check so that they can cash or deposit it with their bank.